The OnePlus 5T Lava Red's hardware is nearly identical to the higher-end model OnePlus 5T down to the 6-inch FHD AMOLED screen, 2160x1080, with an 18:9 aspect ratio, Qualcomm's 2.4 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 835 system-on-chip with Adreno 540 graphics chip, 8GB RAM, and 128GB of UFS 2.1 dual-lane internal storage. But its metallic red finish is what sets it apart. OnePlus says it achieved the phone's look with high temperatures, long baking times, anodic oxidation, double blasting, and afcoating. It's a highly precise process. There's less than 0.01% variation between units, according to the company. When it comes to the OnePlus 5T Lava Red's other components, they're cut from the same cloth as the standard OnePlus 5T. The phone's 3,300 mAh battery can recharge in less than 30 minutes, thanks to OnePlus Dash Charge technology and the Dash Charge compatible wall adapter and cable that ships in the box. And the OnePlus 5T Lava Red's rear dual camera module, which consists of a 16MP primary sensor with a f/1.7 aperture and 1.12 micrometers pixel size and a 20MP secondary sensor with a f/1.7 aperture and 1.0 micrometers pixel size, produces depth of field photo effects that blur backgrounds while keeping foregrounds in focus. The OnePlus 5T Lava Red retains OnePlus Signature Alert Slider, a physical switch that quickly toggles between silent mode, do not disturb, and ring mode by default, and that can be customized with its posed module. It has Face Unlock, a biometric authentication feature that uses the 16MP front-facing camera to verify your identity in less than 0.2 seconds, and with root access and SPOS, can be integrated with OxygenOS's App Lock feature. And it recently received an update to Android Oreo as OnePlus rolled out a stable version of Oreo-based OxygenOS 5.0.2 to the OnePlus 5T in January. Notably, the latest beta, OnePlus 5T Open Beta 3, has iPhone X-style navigation gestures.